On the menu today, we're making peppercorn sauce. So start by dicing the shallot, melt some butter over a medium heat, add in your shallot, and whilst that's frying down, we're just going to chop some garlic. And you can go ahead and throw that in too. Now we're going to add in some green peppercorns. These are dried ones that I've soaked, but you could also use fresh brined ones. Chop some parsley and save that for later. And now we'll flambe all of this in a little bit of brandy. Watch your eyebrows here. Swirl that brandy round in the pan until the flames die down, and then you can put it back on the heat. Now we're going in with some freshly ground black pepper and some of our demi-glace jelly. You can use any demi-glace you want for this, but if you want to make your own demi-glace jelly like this, I'll link it above. Anyway, keep cooking this down until your jelly melts, and then you can add in your beef stock and double cream, and you're pretty much done. We're just going to add some parsley, taste and season, and that's it. See you next week.